there's a lot of bad information on AI. There's a lot of talk about being a job killer. We haven't seen it. We continue to grow as we continue to innovate. As the bank grows, as we mature, we see more and more volume. We see more and more creative ways to try to get through the system. And of course, the pressure coming from the bottom says, well, we need to hire more people, and the top saying, well, no, you don't. You have to engender with your team that innovation mindset, this idea that, hey, we can solve these problems through automation. You need to be thinking about what that automation looks like. So we do have WorkFusion. We've got Terra running. That's been a huge win. It's been a huge reduction in our OFAC volumes. We got to start thinking about how we can, take all the mundane stuff you don't want to do and how we can automate it. If you're going to start to have armies of QA people, smaller contingents of data scientists, and the smaller contingents of investigators. Those investigators will be doing higher level, more complex work. But the reality is I don't think we should worry about the robots taking our jobs so much as we should understand how our jobs and our lives are going to change with the advancement with technology, with AI,